military growth of Bayan Congress Worker that requires the support of Pangasinan PPO and undertaking to adhere to its original guidelines. Support of Pangasinan PPO will perform its role as member of community-based on programs, barangay anti-narcotics and anti-trafficking of Bala, barangay anti-terrorism and terrorism network of Bati, barangay peacekeeping activity, DIPAS, and Sala police volunteer. Support the anti-criminality campaign of Pangasinan PPO by providing adequate information about illegal activities like illegal drugs, terrorism, insurgencies, organized criminals or syndicates, illegal gambling, or any similar activities operating or residing in community within the province of Pangasinan. Undertake to take appropriate measures and activities in cooperation with the Pangasinan PPO for the protection and preservation of the environment and in disaster management, rescue operation, and effective mitigation. Prohibits its members from engaging in criminal activities and from using PNP, gas, logos, emblems, uniforms, and other similar things or objects belonging other government agencies, instrumentalities. Therefore, other undertaking for the successful implementation of this understanding. This understanding shall become effective upon signing and shall remain full force of effect for a period of 1 year from the date of signing and may be subject to any modification, revocation, or renewal upon prior request from either party. In witness whereof the parties have adherently set their hands on the date above mentioned. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. The memorandum undertaking is